Imagine cruising down an open road with the wind in your face, the engine humming beneath you, and your entire home riding right behind your seat. No hotel bookings, no rent stress, no heavy RV payments, just 3 wheels and total freedom. Today, we're diving into one of the most stunning creations on the road, a camper tricycle tiny home that looks like it rolled straight out of a dream at a first glance. It doesn't even look real. A sleek tricycle in the front, compact yet powerful, and behind it, a beautifully crafted mini home that feels warm, modern, and surprisingly spacious. It's the kind of vehicle that makes people stop, stare, and pull out their phones. But this isn't just about turning heads. This is about changing the way we think about travel and living. Now let's talk about the design. The front trike is built for stability and comfort. 3 wheels mean better balance than a traditional motorcycle, which makes long rides smoother and less intimidating. Whether you're cruising along coastal highways or weaving through mountain roads, this setup gives you confidence. And behind it, seamlessly attached, is the tiny camper pod that redefines small but mighty. Step inside. Yes, inside, and you'll be shocked. The space is smartly designed with every inch carefully planned. There's a cozy sleeping area that folds out into a comfortable bed. Soft lighting wraps around the ceiling, creating a warm glow at night. Compact storage compartments are hidden in walls and under seats. There's even a small kitchenette setup with a mini sink, portable stove, and clever shelving for essentials. It feels less like a vehicle and more like a modern studio apartment on wheels. What makes this camper tricycle so stunning isn't just how it looks, it's how it feels. It represents freedom. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves one morning, and the next day parking near a forest with mist rolling through the trees. No packing and unpacking, no check-in times. Your home moves when you move. And here's the part that really makes people rethink everything: affordability. Compared to traditional RVs that cost as much as a house, this tiny home on 3 wheels offers a low-cost alternative. Less fuel consumption, lower maintenance, easier parking. You don't need a massive driveway or expensive campground slots. It fits almost anywhere. But let's go deeper. This camper tricycle isn't just about saving money. It's about simplifying life. In a world where bigger always seems better, this proves that smaller can be smarter. When you live tiny, you focus on what truly matters. Experiences over possessions. Adventures over accumulation. Picture this: sunset. You park your trike overlooking a golden horizon. You step out, set up a small foldable chair, maybe brew a cup of coffee on your mini stove. The sky changes colors, and you realize something powerful. You don't need much to feel rich. The engineering behind this machine is impressive too. Lightweight materials keep the overall weight manageable so the trike can tow it efficiently. Aerodynamic curves reduce drag, making highway travel smoother. Solar panels can even be installed on the roof to power lights and charge devices, giving you energy independence. That means you can go off-grid without sacrificing comfort. Safety is another huge advantage. 3 wheels offer enhanced road grip compared to 2-wheel bikes. The camper unit is reinforced to ensure durability. Modern builds often include braking systems synchronized with the trike, ensuring balanced stops. So you're not just riding in style, you're riding smart. Now imagine the reactions when you roll into a campsite. Traditional RVs tower around you, but your sleek camper tricycle draws all the attention. People walk over, curious. They ask questions. They want to see inside. And when they do, their jaws drop. Because nobody expects that level of comfort packed into such a compact form. And let's be honest, it's fun. There's something incredibly cool about combining the thrill of a motorcycle with the practicality of a tiny home. You get the adventure vibe of 2-wheel travel, but without giving up your bed, your kitchen, or your personal space. For solo travelers, this setup is perfect. It's manageable, efficient, and empowering. For couples, it becomes a bonding experience. Sharing a small space encourages connection and teamwork. Every decision, every stop, every sunrise becomes a shared memory. Maintenance is also simpler than full-size RVs. Smaller engine, fewer systems, lower repair costs. You're not dealing with complicated slide-outs or massive generators. Everything is compact, accessible, and designed with minimalism in mind. And here's something most people don't realize: tiny living reduces stress. When your space is organized and intentional, your mind feels clearer. There's no clutter, no wasted space, just the essentials. And somehow, that simplicity creates peace. But the real magic? It's the lifestyle shift. You start choosing routes instead of routines. You measure time by destinations instead of deadlines. You wake up excited about where you'll park tonight instead of dreading traffic on the way to work. Of course, this kind of life isn't about luxury in the traditional sense. It's about intentional living. It's about choosing mobility over stability, freedom over fixed walls. And once you experience it, going back to a normal house might feel limiting. As the world becomes more fast-paced and expensive, creative solutions like this camper tricycle tiny home show us a different path. One where travel and living merge into one seamless adventure. One where your driveway changes every day. One where your backyard could be a beach, a desert, or a mountain valley. So imagine yourself sitting in that driver's seat. Engine ready. Tiny home secured behind you. The road stretching endlessly ahead. No landlord. No heavy mortgage. Just you, 3 wheels, and a world waiting to be explored. And here's the question. If you had the chance, would you trade a traditional house for this rolling masterpiece? Would you choose freedom over square footage? Because once you see what's possible with a stunning camper tricycle tiny home like this, staying in one place might never feel the same again. The road is calling. And this time, it's bringing your home with it.